Today, I'm fortunate to be at Kingsford Waterway. What's so unique about this particular development? One of the unique things when you look at this just mapped here is this. You look at it at the Sungai Serangoon as one of the river, and actually if you realize this river its width is about 70 meters, and the fortunate thing here is this plot of land was actually government land sales of two separate plots. But fortunately, Kingsford Waterway, the developer, was successful in getting both the plot. And the advantage was that when they managed to get both the plot, they amalgamated it to have a beautiful landscape that the 1,000 units either face the river or the swimming pool. And that is only possible because of both the plot being amalgamated. Imagine when you have a smaller plot, you can't manage to achieve so much of economies of scale in terms of development costs and, for that matter, the features. Kingsford Waterway, in terms of facilities and lifestyle and the landscape, is unbeatable. So when you actually look at it, one of the most interesting thing here is this: the layout is a linear, and it comes not only with the clubhouse, pool, and as well as tennis court, it also has got some commercial units and as well as a childcare. You see, as far as any form of investment, one of the key concerns we have here is this: is it all encompassing in terms of child friendly and as well as lifestyle? And something exciting about the pool here is this: when most of the development only boasts about an Olympic sized pool of 50 meters, but when you look at it here at Kingsford Waterway, the pool stretches to well above 100 meters. This is something, it is very rare, and this is mainly because the development has got two plots being amalgamated. Beyond all these things, look at the price point. One of the key things that when we invest here is affordability. You can always buy another property if you think that you want it very close to MRT. We pay a premium, and a premium people normally peg to any properties that is near MRT is $200 per square foot more. At Kingsford Waterway, a 2-bedroom at about $840,000, and with an 80% loan of $670,000, your monthly installment, we are talking about at, let's say, a 1.5% interest rate currently, over 30 years, it will be amounting to about $2,300. Maybe I'm giving you a lot of figures, but the point here is this: do you want to trade in a smaller space because you're going to pay a high per square foot at entry level, or would you like to consider a lifestyle, nostalgic, rustic, river view, a quiet nature that is connected with the park, not only to Coney Island, but a lifestyle uncompromised? The key thing here is this: today we are looking at entry level at Kingsford Waterway per square foot, 1,001 to 1,002, depending on the size units and so on. And therefore, this development has got its advantages and something it is really worth considering. And look at schools. And one of the key things we look at here is this: what about our children for their future or for the convenience? CHIJ is a very well-known and a popular school. And there are many other amenities as well. And the developer is also providing a 2 years free shuttle service to the nearest MRT. I mean, all these things is a value added so that you have got everything within at your doorstep for the convenience and the lifestyle uncompromised. Please speak to any of our PropNext salespersons. They will be able to guide you and at the same time to let you know what are the advantages and as well as your financial computation. I always advocate, do not make a very hasty decision. Key thing is affordability and long term and at entry level. Kingsford Waterway, in my honest opinion, give you the advantage of not only the space but also the capital appreciation over time for the fact that you're buying it at a reasonable entry price. Wish you all the best in your property journey.